Well, absolutely. Right now, I'm sure the Indian teams in front of the screens that we have here in office, they're just getting ready to, for that trophy celebration. And to talk about the number of people, number of legends who were inside the stadium, Sachin Tendulkar was there before the match. He took the trophy to the center stage. We have Rohit Sharma, who lifted the T20 World Cup title for the men's team last year. So the entire Indian cricketing community, backed the women's team. The entire sporting ecosystem backed the women's team. You felt like it was really written in the stars. We can see Mithali Raj, a great of the game, a great of Indian cricket, but unfortunately she wasn't able to take India to the World Cup title. For the likes of them who've played such a big part in taking India to where they are right now, because now India is a real cricketing superpower, not just in men's cricket, but also in women's cricket. And all of them were at the stadium, such greats of the game were at the stadium. You really feel like this was fate, wasn't it, Athira?
It was. And I think there's also should be a special mention for the Indian team's coach, Amul Muzamdar, who has been phenomenal. He has led India from the front, and if you remember, he has not played international cricket for India, but he is a domestic star, and he is one of the reasons that India is lifting this trophy today. If you remember, Harmanpreet Kaur had said in one of the interviews that after the match against England, he addressed the dressing room, and that kind of changed the mood of the Indian cricket team, and had a spiriting fight back that they got. So I think we need to mention and appreciate Amul Muzamdar's contribution to the game as well.
Well, absolutely, Athira. Coaching is something that we sometimes ignore when it comes to players. The players always get the credit, as they should, but it's important to know that Amul Muzamdar is going to be the first India head coach to lead a women's team to a Cricket World Cup title. And just again, I can't help but focus on the visuals that we are getting from all over the country, because it is a night to celebrate. It's a seminal moment for the entire nation, because these kind of visuals that we are seeing on our screens, we only get to see when the men's team wins a cricket title or Olympic medalist. But this time, for the first time ever, we have a women's team, a team who have been crowned world champions. And tonight is going to be just a long night of not just partying, but also a night which has really broken the glass ceiling, that will provide inspiration to millions of girls, millions of sportsmen and sportswomen out there who want to represent India, not just in cricket, but other sports as well. This really proves that India have arrived in women's cricket and women's sport. And I feel like, Athira, you were there to witness this piece of history. So what are the fans, did you manage to speak to any fans during the match as well? What were they saying? What is the feeling that they were trying to express? Because, this is really a seminal moment for Indian cricket. And the support that we saw from the fans, that has been exceptional throughout the tournament, hasn't it, Athira?
Yes. What was really heartwarming to see was that small kids wearing Smriti Mandhana t-shirt or a Harmanpreet Kaur t-shirt, because you had all these big boys wearing all the Rohit Sharma and Virat Kohli t-shirt and cheering for Team India, but there were these small girls who were wearing Smriti Mandhana t-shirt, Harmanpreet t-shirt, and when I asked them like who their favorite player is, and they would be like, it's Harmanpreet Kaur, because she really plays well and she is leading India from the front, and which is so heartwarming to see that this is what the impact they have right now. Young generation getting so inspired to pick up that bat, to pick up that ball and represent India. That is the kind of that's where we have come from. They have rewritten the history books. They are encouraging girls from every corner to follow their dream and just have the belief and hard work. Do your hard work. Things will fall into place and you will succeed in life, because there you have examples of Kranti Gaur, you have experience of Deepti Sharma. See, this is the crowd. This is what is happening with her. Everybody is celebrating this win. This win is personal, and everybody is soaking it in.
Well, that's a very poignant thing you just said. This win feels like personal, and personal for every Indian cricket fan, for every player, and that's such a pertinent thing you mentioned, that people are used to seeing Virat Kohli or Rohit Sharma or even Sachin Tendulkar in the past on their back, and now we see Smriti Mandhana, Harmanpreet Kaur. So the likes of these players now will be mentioned in the same sentence as Virat Kohli, as a Sachin Tendulkar, as Rohit Sharma, which is really remarkable if you think about it. And there has been a huge backing, not just from the BCCI, but also from the Indian cricket fan for this team. There has been criticism, of course, and that is, that adds to maturity when you talk about the ecosystem that surrounds the women's cricket. There has been criticism at times during this tournament where they maybe were not at their best, but this final just answers all the critics and all the question marks that were over them, because now they've been crowned world champions. It doesn't matter whether they lost a few matches during the group stages, who were the disappointing players or performances. Now they have been crowned world champions, and that's all we will remember, isn't it?
Yes, it's only the champions that are remembered, and India are the champions and they will be remembered. And it was so nice to see Rohit Sharma out there cheering for Team India, VVS Lakshman, and all the big names coming out and cheering for Team India, and just, genuinely nervous at every moment and just happy and celebrating even the smallest of the smallest milestones. So it was good to see, and the whole vibe in the stadium was so remarkable, because I didn't see a single seat which was empty. Everything was packed, everybody was there. Even after you thought that it's raining, that people might not show up, but that was not the case. Everybody was showing up and they had their umbrellas on. They were all ready to see Indian women lift the world trophy.
Well, Athira, I just want to ask you, since the trophy ceremony hasn't happened right now, are fans waiting inside the stadium to, witness the trophy lifting ceremony, or have some of them started coming out?
Some of them have started coming out, but majority of them are right there. They don't want to miss this moment, right? This is a historic moment. I spoke to a couple of them and they were like, it doesn't matter if it's a Monday tomorrow. We are going to sit here. We are going to watch the entire thing and then go back home, because that will be a peaceful night for us.
Well, absolutely, Athira. Continue to be with us. Just see the picture. Sometimes you don't need, any explanation when it comes to these pictures. They speak for themselves. It's like a festival. It's almost like a festival that India is celebrating right now, when